How to turn off all vibration settings on your Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro phone here. This includes ring vibration, notification vibration, touch feedback, and also your keyboard key press vibration. Let's get started. So we'll first go into the main vibration settings by going into the quick panel access, pull it down twice, and then you'll see the settings icon here. Once you tap on that one time here, you'll be taken to this part here. And from here on, you'll go to the part that says sound and vibration. Now you'll see the sound and vibration settings here, and you want to go down to the vibration and haptics section here. As you enter here now, simply turning this switch off will disable every vibration setting for this section here, okay? However, if you want to keep this on and simply just adjust certain features, like the ring vibration being nothing at all and keeping the rest on, you can also have the vibrate first, then ring gradually here. For the notification vibration here, bringing this to the far left basically means no vibration feedback, okay? Then you have alarm vibration here. The interactive haptics, which is such as your touch interaction, swiping, this is your touch feedback vibration. And then anything with the media, such as controls and playback and whatnot, these here is going to disable the vibrations if you bring it to the far left. Next up now, we'll come out of here, close this out here, and let's just say we want to go back into the settings here. We're going to an app here, and our Gboard keyboard will pop up like that here. Our Gboard keyboard has its own dedicated vibration settings when you're typing on it. So you'll want to go into the settings here. And in the settings of your Gboard keyboard, go to Preferences, and from the Preferences, go down until you see haptic feedback on key press right there. Disabling that will turn off the vibration every time you press a key on your Gboard keyboard. So I'll close this out here, and just one more last thing. Let's just say there's an app that's still giving you a vibration feedback for newly received notifications. So what we're gonna do here, maybe for example, like YouTube, you have your notifications enabled here. You'll long press the app itself here. You'll see the circle with the eye, which is the app info. And as you enter here, your notifications here, if it's turned on, you'll dive into it itself, and then you'll go down the list and simply look for the type of notifications you're receiving that's still giving you that vibration feedback, okay? So each one of them is gonna be a bit on a different side here. So we'll start with the first one here, such as subscriptions here. So default is gonna ring or vibrate here, and going down your list right there, if this is turned on, you want to turn it off. So if it looks like this here, that means the vibration for this particular type of notification for this app is going to vibrate your phone, okay? So just make sure they're all disabled here. And of course, if you just don't want no notifications at all, just turn this off. You'll be good to go here. And if you want to just simply turn off the ones that's not giving you a good vibration that you don't like here, just be sure to come here into this section here, and just you also have no sound or vibration here. Okay, that's going to disable that for all the apps itself, okay, under the feedback section. And every app is going to be different, so you have to go through the different types of notifications for every app if there is a particular app that's still vibrating, like and sub.